I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the exact data range, including header labels, so Excel can map axis and series correctly. Once done, format numbers and dates consistently. That prevents misscaling and wrong categories. Make sure to remove blanks or fill them with zeros to avoid gaps. Then insert an initial chart via Insert Charts and pick the basic type that represents the relationship. This gives you a tangible object to link and refine in the next steps. Next, convert your data to an Excel table or define named ranges so the chart updates when rows are added. Tables auto-expand and are safest. Then edit the chart series formula or use Select Data to reassign series to the table columns. This ensures new values appear automatically. If data comes from another workbook, use Paste Link or set up a Power Query connection. That keeps external changes synchronized. Once linked, test by adding a row to confirm the chart updates as expected. Finally, polish axes, labels, and legends so viewers interpret the linked data correctly. Clear titles and units reduce confusion. Once done, lock or manage links under data queries and connections, or edit links to control refresh behavior and preserve connections between files. If the chart does not update, make sure named ranges point to the table, that workbook calculation is set to automatic, and that external workbooks are open or set to refresh. Addressing those 3 items usually resolves most linkage failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.